Hello everyone. Good evening. Good afternoon. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. How are you all doing? अभी कौन सा लैंग्वेज प्रेफरेबल रहेगा बाय द वे इफ एवरीवन कैन स्टेट दैट तो अगर हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स समथिंग इंग्लिश ओके
हिंदी
श्योर
प्लीज सर।
ओके आई विल गो अराउंड मिक्स इंग्लिश जैसा होप दैट वुड बी फाइन विद एवरीवन सो आज हम हमारे पास कहाँ से लोग हैं मे बी इंट्रोडक्शन लाइक स्मॉल इंट्रो कैन हेल्प. First of all, I am Tej Patel. I am a student of 12th class in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gandhinagar. So you all can go ahead and tell me about yourselves. Would anyone would like to volunteer? Going ahead.
Hello,
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
I am Kalpesh Shekhani,
Okay.
mathematics teacher at North Gujarat, Radhanpur, North Gujarat.
Oh, wonderful. 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 Then I guess we have some teachers from the northern India as well. So maybe should I call everyone from the people's list? Uh, Pal Kishore, sir, can you just give a brief about yourself, so just to get the session going on? Anyone else who would like to
Hello,
volunteer?
hello,
Yes,
hello.
yes, sir.
I am Manas Ranjan Satpathy from Odisha, Government Girls High School, Padampur.
Okay,
I am a CBJ teacher.
wonderful, wonderful. So we can have more interactions during the session too. Uh, so you might have known about origami. So would anyone like to tell what are their views on origami? What is origami for them? Like आपने कभी ना कभी तो सुना होगा कि origami है और maybe in simpler words you might have heard paper folding. So अगर आपके views हो कुछ किया है आपने उसके बारे में would love to hear about that.
Origami means making different things with the help of papers.
Yes, sir, very true. So I have been doing that origami since I was around 5 or 6 years old. So today I am going to share whatever all I have learned through my journey with origami. So let me start the presentation. Is my screen visible to all?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
So I guess we have 14 members till now. I can start ahead. So let's go. So as we all like, I'll just go through the basics. So origami is a Japanese word which actually originates from two words, which is oru, that means folding, and kami is Japanese word for paper. So there are simple rules in origami. So you start off with a square piece of paper. You do not cut, glue, or tape anything, and you do not decorate after the model it's made. So you might have made a paper boat or something like that. So it's also origami. The paper planes children make is also origami. Now, origami is very ancient. Like the paper was invented in around 100 AD. So वहाँ से जब paper started going around in different places, origami too started going around. Like people thought कि अगर हम paper fold करते हैं तो क्या होता है? So that's how origami originated. And you can see that these are some comics from olden Japan, and you can see small paper birds over there. Like the figure, this is a origami paper crane. So that's can be seen in ancient origami as well. So origami and peace go along very well. Like the crane model which I just showed you, it's a symbol of peace worldwide. So there's a story behind it, which so we all know about the bombings at Hiroshima, Nagasaki. So after the bombings, there were many harmful radiations, which to this day they are very harmful over there. So उस टाइम पे एक बच्ची थी जिसका नाम साडाको सासाकी था. So she was diagnosed with leukemia. So she thought of making 1,000 paper planes जो like which make someone's wish come true. और उसकी विश थी वर्ल्ड पीस के बारे में. So she had made those cranes, and that's how all this story started. And I have myself made those 1,000 paper cranes twice. So that's something I wanted to share with you all. And before we go ahead, um, I guess we have one new member. Yes, so would anyone else like to share their experience with origami? कि अगर आपने कुछ बनाया हो, have seen your students make something in the class, like just frankly speaking मैं class के पीछे बैठ के कुछ ना कुछ करता रहता था. So that way, if you have any experience with origami, you can share with all. Would anyone like to share?
We are making boats, frogs, etc. with papers.
Okay. So what are your views about origami? Ki, how do you feel when you make those things?
Very interesting.
Yes. So how about we all make something right now? Would everyone be interested? Like maybe I can give 2 minutes or something, so you can grab a piece of paper. आपके आसपास कोई भी A4 size का paper पड़ा हो, you can take it. So I will just stop presenting for some time, and if possible, you all can turn on your cameras as well. So if you have some doubt while making it, you can share it over here. So once you all give me a go sign कि सबके पास papers है, then we can start. जस्ट आप यानी आपके पास पेपर आ जाए तब आप चैट में डाल सकते हैं या सब. लाइक जस्ट गिव मी अ साइन की पेपर्स है आपके साथ सबके पास. यू कैन ऑल्सो रेज योर हैंड्स. Okay. So I guess we can start making the origami object in around 3 minutes. कोई भी like you can just grab a A4 size printer paper या कुछ भी paper rectangle, and I will just switch my camera.
Probably we are making it after a long time, almost 20 years. After 20 years,
Wow. So
and
I
we are
guess
going to
that
make
would be
a. I mean, I am going to make a very silly thing, a very trivial thing, right? I also
okay.
don't know whether it is complete. It will be complete or not. Let's just check.
Sure, sir. And then maybe we all together can make uh, something we can use at our homes. I will be teaching an origami box, which can be very helpful, like everyday चीजें रखने के लिए.
Is it okay?
Awesome, sir. Yes,
This is what we could make up.
that's very nice. I can see your folds; they are very clean. So, and if you like now unfold the sheet of paper, you can see that there's a lot of maths behind it. You can see different angles in it. I will more about that in some time, but for now I think we can start making the box. Everyone can like speak. It's not like a session. It's just okay. So can I start making it, everyone?
Yes, yes. Please go ahead.
So I have this A4 size sheet of paper. You can use any rectangle for this. And we will start by folding it in half vertically. So I'm just bringing the both the edges and folding it in half. You can fold along with me, so that way if anyone has doubt, they can directly ask it. So I simply folded it in half, and now we will fold it in half again in the same direction. So first fold I made was this, and now I will fold it again this way. Just make sure that the layers of paper don't slip away, क्योंकि like the more cleaner folds you make, the better the end product will be. Origami, like it tests your patience और precision की कि अभी कैसे lines sharp है, fold वैसे है. So that way you can go ahead and make with me. अब there's a like the next fold is जो आपने paper planes में किया होगा. So what I am going to do is इस line के along ये दोनों corners को मिलाने वाला हूँ. Just a second, I think so my video is flipped. Is this my right hand? Like, just can anyone? This is my right hand. Is it on the correct side of the screen?
Yes, you're right at correct side.
Okay. Yep. So we will make a fold very similar to the paper plane. इस fold के along हम इस edge को लाएंगे. So it will be something like this. And the same way on the other side. We are making a box, so it will be symmetrical. And now from the bottom side, we just have to take one layer. You can see that there are two layers of paper over here. So उसमें से just एक ही paper लेना है, and you again fold it towards this edge. The same way from the other side. So if everyone has done over here, they can maybe share in the chat done or something like that. Thumbs up. Is everyone here, like, reach here with me? I'll just
Yes,
share.
sir.
I'll just show again what all we did if anyone connected late. We simply folded a paper in half, then folded it in half again, and then made the paper plane folds on both sides. Now, the next step is you can see that this flap is a hole. So what we need to do is we need to lock these four corners. तो हम क्या करेंगे उसके लिए? We can fold this directly upwards. So I took this flap पूरा and then folded it upwards. So आप देख सकते हैं कि ये चारों corners अंदर lock हो गए. Now I have a pocket over here. So this much. Now we will make a line from here to there. Like I'll just show with a pencil. We'll make from this point, we'll make a straight line which is perpendicular to the base of this house-like shape. So and you will also find it easy to fold क्योंकि अंदर से paper के folds है. Like there are layers of paper helping it. So आपको बस simply fold करना है and just make sure that it is perpendicular to the paper. So I will show. आप देख सकते हैं कैसे fold होगा. And then you have to make the same fold on the other side. I'll just wait for a while and show again कि मैंने क्या किया. ये जो ऊपर का point है यहाँ पे, I made a straight fold going from there towards the bottom. And same I did from the other side. So now the next fold is quite interesting. So I'll show you what to do. Just a second. I'm terrible at drawing things, but let's just make rough lines. So we have to make folds like this from this point towards this way. But okay, we will do that on a later stage. For now, what we can do is you see this pocket over here. So what we need to do is you grab your hand inside the pocket and open it up. So आपको इस तरह से एक sweep जैसा like dust pan जैसा मिल जाएगा. So what you need to do is ये दोनों जो lines हमने की थी ना, like the folds we made right now, उसको आपको inside out करना है. Like अभी वो they are valley folds, like अंदर के side folds है, तो उसको pinch करके बाहर लाना है. So you will see कि it will make a perfect cuboid like shape. आप देख सकते open box जैसा अभी हो गया पूरा. So I'll just explain once again what we did. यहाँ से I opened this pocket and then ये दोनों जो folds थे I just pinched them and made them crispier दूसरे side से. I hope everyone has reached with me. So I will move on to the next step. So these are the lines I was talking about, folds we need to make now. So for the next step, you can see the intersection over here. So उस intersection से लेके हमें इस corner तक एक line बनानी है. But you can make it by just a second. Yeah, this would be much more simpler. So यहाँ से लेके from the outside you make a line from this intersection to this corner और आप उसको easily ऐसे pinch करके कर सकते हो. You can match the edges and then pinch it. हमें basically यही चाहिए कि एक corner ऐसे मिल जाए हमें, like this diagonal over here, and then the same thing on the other side. और अगर किसी को किसी भी चीज पे क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए, they can completely turn their video on and tell me कि if they are stuck somewhere. So आप देखेंगे तो this can seem like 2 ears, cat के 2 ears बन गए या वैसे. So I made this two diagonal folds over here and here, and you will see why we made those in the next step. So I guess everyone is following with me. If everyone has been able to reach here, they can maybe say a yes or done in the chat. That way I will know that everyone is with me.
Done, sir.
Okay. So these are the two flaps we made, and now what we need to do is, ये box है ना ऐसे, so इस flap को we will turn it towards the box, and the same thing from the other flap. अब आप देखोगे कि ये वाला I am giving towards this side, right? So यहाँ पे एक pocket है, if you see. So what we need to do is इस flap को इस pocket के अंदर डालना है, and then you can slide it inside. तो आप देखोगे कि ये लॉक हो जाएगा. Now it's a completely locked cube. वैसे ही हम दूसरे साइड करेंगे. So I again took the flap, took it towards this side, pocket खोला, this one, and then inserted it inside. तो इस तरह से simple एक utility box create हो गया. Like you can use this as any pen stand या फिर कुछ भी रखना हो. So अगर आप if you all were successful to make it, you can maybe turn on your cameras and show it. So हम सबको दिखा सकते हैं. I'll switch my camera.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the boundaries are not that sharp because of the folding problem and all.
Okay.
But you are quite accurate.
Yes, I can see a lot of you made it. Okay. Can we get more people to turn on their cameras, like Kalpesh sir, Vandana ma'am, Balkishore sir? Yes. So this is like a simple, you can see that how igneous the folds are, like कैसे एक दूसरे के अंदर पेपर लॉक हो जाता है. So this is the beauty of origami. और आपने देखा होगा काफी जगह पे folds and they are symmetrical. अगर you don't need to open this, but मैं आपको open करके दिखाता हूँ. So once you open an origami model, ना, it is actually the crease pattern of origami model. So अभी आप देख सकते हो कि पेपर पे folds है, और if you look at from this side, they are symmetrical. तो this is like कि सिर्फ एक आर्ट फॉर्म नहीं है जो आप पेपर बोर्ड बनाते हो, पेपर प्लेन बनाते हो. There's a lot of maths also behind it. So I will just again share the PPT and tell more about it. Yes. So is my screen visible again?
Not yet.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, sir.
Right, sir. It's visible.
Yes. So this is the Grand Master of Origami, Akira Yoshizawa. So he was an artist, और like उन्होंने ओरिगामी को स्टार्ट किया था. लाइक बिफोर ओरिगामी सिर्फ क्या था कि पेपर बोट हो गया, पेपर प्लेन हो गया. लेकिन आप देख सकते हो इनके पास जो शेप्स है, दिस आर ऑल ओरिगामी, सिंगल पीस ऑफ पेपर में से बना है. जो आप मंकी देख रहे हैं या वो. सो he made it from a craft to living art. Like art form is very broad, and he did one more thing. He gave a system of arrows, lines, dots. तो इससे क्या हुआ कि उन्होंने एक लैंग्वेज दे दी ओरिगामी के लिए. सो नाउ यू कैन सी कि अगर मेरे को शेयर करना है आपके साथ, आई कैन शेयर some photos like this and you can make the origami model. जैसे अभी ये बताया, this is the crease pattern of origami model. So now अब क्या करते हैं लोग कि they study the crease pattern and then make the diagrams from it. So it has evolved that much. Now let's have a look at some origamis. So I will just briefly tell about some categories of origamis, and then I can show you some models I have made. So this is an action origami. We will be making one of these in some time. In some time. So basically, जब model बन के there is some. Uh, okay, Vineet sir. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Desh.
So action origami like एक बार मॉडल बन के देर इज सम मोशन टू इट. आपने शायद से एक फ्लैपिंग बर्ड देखा होगा, और लाइक वी विल मेक वन ऑफ दिस एक्शन ओरिगामी फर्दर. फिर मॉड्यूलर ओरिगामी आता है, लाइक वेर यू यूज मोर मल्टीपल पेपर्स एंड देन कनेक्ट देम विदाउट यूजिंग ग्लू. Then there is wet folding जो traditional है, like it's more about shapes and paper animals and stuff. तो वहाँ पे पेपर को गीला करके they mold it, like जैसे आप क्लोथ या फिर उसको मोल्ड कर फोल्ड करते हो, वैसे ही ये पेपर को मोल्ड करते हैं. फिर this is a mathematical side of origami, like these are origami tessellations. So tessellations क्या होता है कि एक पैटर्न होती है, जैसे टाइल्स वगैरह है, so they have a सिंपल मोटिव यानी जो होता है एक शेप, एंड इट कीप्स ऑन रिपीटिंग. सो वैसे ही टेसेलेशंस बनते हैं. देन फ्रैक्टल्स अगेन इज अ मैथमेटिकल टर्म. यू सी अ स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट एंड दैट ऑब्जेक्ट्स कीप ऑन एक्सपांडिंग, एंड उस लाइक देयर आर मल्टीपल वर्जन्स ऑफ इट. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ये स्टार है, उसके अंदर एक और स्टार है, एक और स्टार है. So that is origami fractals. Then Pure Land is a very old form. Ki the simplest origami is defined as Pure Land origami, जो basic थी एकदम traditional models. And nowadays this is complex origami. Like you can imagine this thing, this warrior is made from a single piece of paper, without cutting, without gluing anything, a single square piece of paper. So you can imagine what all can be possible with it. This tarantula with 8 legs and 2 tentacles are like origami has achieved different heights, and these are some more categories. Now I would like to show some models which I have made, so that way you can get to know more about like how it looks and stuff. So I'll just switch my video. Just a second. Yeah. So this is an example of action origami. तो आप this is a origami magic ball. तो आप देख सकते हो कि मैंने सिंगल पीस ऑफ पेपर ही यूज किया है. There are no cuts or glue anywhere, और the paper has reached a different flexibility. अभी आप देख सकते हैं कि पेपर डिफरेंट तरह से पूरा बिहेव कर रहा है, एंड इट कैन ऑल्सो completely flatten like this. और इसका यूज मेडिकल साइंस में भी करते हैं. मेडिकल साइंस में यूज होता है. जैसे आप जब जब भी हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट या फिर वो करते हैं, सो देयर नीड्स टू बी अ स्टेंट यूज्ड. तो उसके अंदर क्या होता है कि इट नीड्स टू गो थ्रू वेन्स, तो उस टाइम पे ये पतला रहता है, एंड देन व्हेन इट रीच द डेस्टिनेशन इट ओपन्स अप. तो स्टेंट का जो आइडिया था, इट वाज इंस्पायर्ड फ्रॉम ओरिगामी. This is one of the things I have made. I can show some more things. This is an origami pangolin. So pangolin, like I just want to show कि origami में कितने complexity तक हम लोग जा सकते हैं. So you can see कि हर एक scale है जो इसका, it's made from that same piece of paper. And at end ये इसमें कहीं पे भी glue या फिर cuttings नहीं use होते. It's that same piece of paper at end. And this is a very interesting model I have made. Maybe you would love to see it. So ये कह सकते हैं कि फ्रैक्टल जैसा ही है, बट little bit different. So you see this 16 squares, right? So each of them is a box in itself. Like I can open up any random of them and it's a box. Now, interesting thing is if I open different one, it those all two in pairs are also a box. फिर वैसे ही if I open any random thing, it's a box in itself. फिर वो चारों मिलके भी box है. So it's like a fractal of boxes of different sizes. तो ये भी box है. That with this is also box. So at every stage there are boxes. So, and this whole thing in itself is also a big box. So this is like one of the modular origami. इसके अंदर I have used more than one papers. Like there are many papers used, but there is no glue inside anywhere. So ये भी एक interesting origami model है. Then I can show some action models which are quite fun. So this is a flower tower. So आपको दिख ही रहा होगी कि how the flower parts looks like. Or this is also an example of fractal. I will show ahead. So this 2D model, it converts into 3D. So you can see that it converts into a tower. So that's how its name comes, flower tower. I'll just show. Yeah. So this is the flower part. You can see tower part, like you can see how it expanded. And now, just to show that it's made from a single piece of paper. So you can see that it's a single piece of paper. There are no cuts anywhere or glue. It's just folds. And paper has its memory. वो याद रखता है कि कहाँ पे fold हुआ है. So I can simply put it back together and then it again returns to the flower. So this is the flower tower. Just a second. I can show some more origami animals. Like I have been making some of them recently. So this is an origami frog. So आप देख सकते हैं कि इसके अंदर we can achieve different levels of detail. कि आप उसके 4 पाँव है, पाँव के toes है. So like I am saying कि origami से कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. Like whatever animal thing you can imagine, it can be made using origami. That way, this is an origami tiger. So this was a single piece of paper. एक side उसका yellow था and one side was black. So when you fold it together, like थोड़ा part yellow का like black का it comes from the inside. So वैसे ही I have made this origami tiger. And this is also quite interesting. Like robotics में वगैरह में इसका use करते हैं. So this is simply paper. And it behaves like a spring. So the reason it behaves like a spring is its folds. Like इसके जैसे folds है, it's helping to get this motion. और इसको हम robotics में use कर सकते हैं. Like इसके अंदर actuator डाल के we can make anything out of it. So I just wanted to share कि हम लोग origami से क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, what has been done. और second, I have one more example of modular origami. Like I told about modular origami कि different pieces होते हैं उसको connect करके हम बनाते हैं without glue. तो ये एक chemistry में पढ़ते हैं हम structure है. This is Buckminster fullerene और it's a allotrope of carbon. You can also know it by its name carbon C60. So this is a buckyball और ये कुछ 200 pieces of papers में से बना है. But the thing is इसमें कहीं पे भी glue या फिर नहीं लगा है. So this is what all we can make with origami. And I will maybe move on back to the presentation for now. Just a second. So I wanted to share कि कैसे origami सिर्फ एक art form नहीं है. There's a lot of maths behind it. वहाँ पे I'll show you some of its applications as well. So just a second, let me shift this. Yeah. So is my screen visible again? Can anyone respond? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we can go ahead. Like, so let's make something again. Like, अगर आपके पास अगर एक थोड़ा सा मोटा पेपर हो, I would recommend a slightly thicker paper for this model. So just grab a piece of paper from anywhere, like क्या कहते हैं? So एक square piece of paper चाहिए हमें, and then we can start making an origami action model. Yeah, let's make it.
Drawing sheet will be okay.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't.
Drawing sheet.
Yeah, sir. Drawing sheet would be perfectly fine. वो थोड़ा मोटा भी रहता है. It would be appropriate for this model. So yeah, if everyone can grab a piece of paper, so we can start folding again. I think folding से सबको ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. Like it's interactive और मज़ा भी आता है. Like this model will end up to be a game. So you can maybe teach this to students further on, or they can interact with it. Yeah, we would need a square paper. So I will show कि rectangle में से square कैसे करते हैं. I'll just demonstrate that. Yeah, I'll switch my camera. Yeah. So I'll use the same paper I used before. I'll just show how to make a square from paper. So हमें क्या करना होगा square बनाने के लिए? Simply fold it from one diagonal. Like fold it one corner, एक corner को लेके इस edge पे ला देते हैं. So I would have a square piece of paper over here. अब आपको simply यहाँ से ये cut कर देना है. So you can use anything to cut the paper. I have the scale over here. So this is a square piece of paper. I will not be using this one, but just demonstrate here कि कैसे हम square piece बना सकते हैं. So once all of you have a square paper, we can start with the model. So अगर सबके पास एक square piece आ जाए तो so they can respond in the chat कि square मिल गया. Okay, I see many people have got a square. Yeah, I will stop the presentation. So this is my square which I'm working on right now. So I'm using a slightly smaller paper. You can go ahead with any paper, or I guess we can start now. Everyone? Okay. So we will start by folding the square in half diagonally. So you can just bring two corners together और उसको एक triangle में fold कर सकते हैं. and be sure to make sharp folds up. You can use something you have around here and then simply make the fold sharper. और once you have done this, हम इसको फिर से एक ट्राइंगल में फोल्ड करेंगे, a smaller triangle. So I folded it in half like this, and फिर से I will take this one corner और उसको एक और छोटे ट्राइंगल में फोल्ड करूंगा. So this way, and we'll open it again. तो आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे एक लाइन बनी है. This I think so इसको median कहते हैं, like median of a triangle. So we made the median of a triangle. अब हमें क्या करना है? We need to take this corner of the paper और इस लाइन के perfectly base पे लानी है. So I will just show कि हमें क्या करना है. We will fold it over here. So आप देख सकते हैं कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, just simply इस पेपर को यहाँ पे लेके आया और उसको फोल्ड कर दिया. And we will do the same thing on the other side. So एक घर जैसा या फिर something like a pentagon बन जाएगा. So once all of us have it, we can simply sharpen the folds and then move ahead. I'll just briefly show कि हमने क्या क्या किया. We folded the paper in half diagonally, फिर उसको फिर से fold किया and then opened it और इन दोनों corners को बीच तक लाए. Now we will flip the paper over और ये जो edge है ना, we will take that edge और उसको इस line तक लाएंगे. It would be parallel to this line. और उसके पीछे का जो triangle है, it will fly open. I'll just show again closer कि ये घर जैसा शेप है. We will take this edge और उसको सेंटर वाली लाइन तक लाएंगे and then fold it over it. So ऐसे हमारे पास एक शेप आ जाएगा. We will need to do the same on the other side. So दूसरी साइड से भी सेम चीज करेंगे. Fold it from here. So इस टाइप से एक रॉकेट जैसा शेप बन जाएगा. You can show again कि simply मैंने क्या किया. So this was what the last fold was. हमने इन दोनों को सेंटर तक लाए and then I flipped over the paper और इस edge को उठा के मैंने इस लाइन पे रख दिया. वैसे ही same from the other side. So I hope everyone has reached here with me, and for the next step I will show. Yes. So यहाँ पे these 2 points, so you see ये दोनों जो पॉइंट है यहाँ पे पेपर के फोल्ड खत्म होते हैं. So what we need to do is ये बॉटम की जो लाइन है उसको हमें उठा के यहाँ तक फोल्ड करना है. We need to fold it to these 2 points. पेपर यहाँ पे काफी मोटा हो गया होगा, but still these are the last few folds of the model and this will help the most in the model's action. तो आप इन दोनों पॉइंट्स तक फोल्ड कर सकते हैं. I'll just show again these 2 points. यहाँ ये वाली जो दोनों लाइंस खत्म हो रही है, we have to take the base and उसको वहां तक फोल्ड करना है. And once we are done, इसका एक लास्ट फोल्ड बचा है इस मॉडल का. We will turn the paper 180 degrees और ये जो बेस हमने फोल्ड किया था उसको फिर से इस लाइन तक लाएंगे. तो सिंपली इस बेस को उठा के we will blink it to this line. अब यहाँ पे काफी थिक हो गया होगा पेपर, बट दिस इज व्हाट हेल्प्स इन द मोशन ऑफ द मॉडल. सो हमने सिंपली ये फोल्ड को यहाँ तक वापस ला दिया. सो अगर साइड से देखेंगे तो इट्स अ जेड लाइक फोल्ड एंड दिस इज द मॉडल. लाइक इट्स एन ओरिगामी जंपिंग फ्रॉग. आई नो थोड़ा सिली साउंड करेगा, बट दिस फ्रॉग हैज मोशन. लाइक जो रेगुलर फ्रॉग्स हम लोग ओरिगामी से बनाते हैं, दिस इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देम. दिस फ्रॉग कैन जंप टू ग्रेट हाइट्स. एंड द गेम आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट is actually, just a second. I'll just show what. Excuse me for a moment. I will just be back. Yes, I am back. So I just realized कि मैंने जो paper cut किया था, I would need that box. So I'm just putting it together again. And just a second. Make that box. So the game over here is कि ये जो box है, it's a कुआं, well कह सकते हैं. And the aim is कि इस frog को कुएं में jump करना है. तो गेम इसकी कौन सबसे पहले फ्रॉक को कुएं में जंप करा सकता है. सो यू कैन मेक दिस बॉक्स फ्रॉम अ न्यूज़पेपर और पूरे क्लास के बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं एंड दे कैन मेक द फ्रॉक जंप इनटू द वेल. सो अगर सब लोग कैमरा सब लोग कैमरा ऑन करके शो कर सकते हैं, सो इट वुड बी गुड टू सी कि आप लोगों ने क्या क्या बनाया. Yep. So this is a fun game कि सब लोग खेल सकते हैं. It would be like really enjoyable कि क्लास में जब बच्चे बना रहे होंगे, खेल रहे होंगे. Yes, I can see some of you are able to make it. Yes, that's pretty cool. So ये कुछ like simple चीज़ है which can be made using paper or it is quite fun. Like मैंने खुद इसके साथ घंटों खेला है. So I will move back to the presentation. Just a second. So I hope my screen is visible to all. And now like I will tell about some applications of origami. जैसे मैंने आपको वो स्टेम वाला बताया था, like मैजिक बॉल यूज होता है in heart surgeries and stuff. So वैसे ही स्पेस में भी origami का यूज है. Like this is an origami flasher. I can show it. So अगर आप मेरे कैमरा में देखेंगे, so this is an origami flasher. और स्पेस में जब सोलर पैनल सेंड करने होते हैं ना, सोलर पैनल्स का सरफेस एरिया तो काफ़ी बड़ा होता है, लेकिन उसको रॉकेट में जाने के लिए छोटा होना चाहिए. सो उन्होंने ओरिगामी से इंस्पायर होके सोलर पैनल्स को इस तरह फोल्ड किया. एंड नाउ नासा इज प्लानिंग टू सेंड सोलर पैनल्स इन स्पेस लाइक दिस. सो दिस इज हाउ ओरिगामी कैन बी यूजफुल. फिर दिस इज अ स्मॉल ओरिगामी रोबोट. आप देख सकते हैं कि एक फोल्ड्स है सिंपल से इसके ऊपर. लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ हमने जो बॉक्स बनाया अभी उस टाइप के फोल्ड्स आप देख सकते हैं. सो उससे क्या होगा कि द रोबोट कैन गो इनसाइड आवर बॉडी. हम दवाई के जैसे लेंगे और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड्स के थ्रू हम उसको कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. सो बॉडी के अंदर जो हमें कट्स करने पड़ते हैं सर्जरीज के लिए, उसकी जगह रोबोट्स हमारे बॉडी के अंदर जाएंगे एंड दे विल परफॉर्म द सर्जरीज. सो दिस इज समवेयर ओरिगामी इज यूजफुल अगेन. फिर हमारी कार्स में जो एयरबैग्स होती है, लाइक एयरबैग्स के स्पेस कितना कम होता है, लाइक दे नीड टू फिट इन अ स्मॉल स्पेस हमारे कार के कवंडर के आगे, बट उसको स्प्लिट सेकंड में, लाइक जैसे ही वो एक्सीडेंट सेंस करे उसको खुलना होता है, तो उसको फोल्डिंग का जो पैटर्न है उसके अंदर भी ओरिगामी यूज करते हैं। एंड फर्दर मोर आर्टिफिशियल रोबोटिक मसल्स है, जैसे मैंने वो स्प्रिंग बताया था, देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फोल्ड जिसको यूज करके हम डिफरेंट मोशन अचीव कर सकते हैं। ये जैसे ये वाले रोबोट्स है, दे कैन लिफ्ट अप टू 1000 टाइम्स देयर ओन वेट, क्योंकि इनके अंदर वेट नहीं होता, दे आर सिंपल बॉडीज की, लाइक दे आर फ्रेम्स ओनली, और बाकी इन्फ्लेशन से दे वर्क। सो रोबोटिक्स में भी काफी यूज है ओरिगामी का। देन अभी जो फ्यूचर है, आप लाइक फेसबुक वगैरह पे वीडियोस देखते होंगे कि देर आर कॉम्पैक्ट फर्नीचर, इफ आई फोल्ड दिस टेबल अहेड सो वो बेड बन जाता है, लाइक समथिंग लाइक दैट, कि स्मॉलर स्पेसेस में कैसे हम ज्यादा चीजें ले सकते हैं। तो फर्नीचर में भी यूज हो सकता है कि like how you can fold something to compact. मैंने जैसे there was a table I saw कि there were chairs inside the table, so you can simply pull one sheet from the table and that became a chair. So origami can help in that ways, and it's also being used in architectures, like different जगह पे building के source बना, like building के structures planning के लिए भी origami use करते हैं। And this is a small robot I made, like I had made I have made this origami robot in my school ATL lab itself. I will show the video of it. Just a second. Yeah, I will show the video of it in some time. So just a second. We'll stop presenting and share it again. Okay, I will. Just a second. Give me a minute. I actually seem to have the video on my hard disk, so I'm just accessing it right now. So the screen will be visible in just some time. Yeah. So this is like मैंने ATL lab के जो different resources है उसको use करके बनाया था, तो you can see कि ये जो stand है origami, like this stand is made from 3D printing, फिर servo motor, like I use some electronics from the lab, and the base of the model I made using origami. So आप देख सकते हैं कि कैसे वो मॉडल वॉक करता है. So this is a robot I have made in my school ATL lab. So the major folding या फिर जो motion है रोबोट का, it's being made due to the folds. ओरिगामी के जो 2 folds है उसकी वजह से ये रोबोट आगे बढ़ रहा है. And I named this robot Snailbot की it sort of mimics the motion of a snail. जैसे हम एक स्नेल जैसे वॉक करती है उस तरह से वॉक कर रहे हैं. And I will again share my screen. Will yeah. So आपने जैसे देखा कि ओरिगामी इज नॉट जस्ट कि वी आर मेकिंग फोल्ड्स एंड डूइंग थिंग, उसके अंदर काफी मैथ्स है, ज्योमेट्री है, कि like there are, if you open the paper काफी angles है, fractions है. फिर origami का majorly like it's used to help kids with autism and जिनके motor skills अच्छे से नहीं होते. So it actually helps in making connections with different nerves in your hands to your brain. So उससे उसका coordination, concentration बढ़ता है. Like I work on origami like मेरे को कभी कुछ कुछ मॉडल्स बनाने में 30 घंटे लगते हैं. सो आई हैव दैट परसिस्टेंस की पेशेंस है, परसिस्टेंस है. सो इट हेल्प्स. सो ओरिगामी करने से वो सब भी इम्प्रूव होता है. एंड आई विल जस्ट शो सम फोटोज लाइक मैंने डिफरेंट जगह पे जहाँ पे ओरिगामी सिखाई है. सो आई हैड बीन टू कश्मीर. लाइक आपको पता हो तो उरी करके एक रीजन है, इट्स ऑन द वेरी बॉर्डर साइड. So I had taught origami to kids over there in schools. फिर डिफरेंट जगहों पे मैंने ओरिगामी सिखाई है. लाइक आई हैव टेकन मेनी वर्कशॉप्स. फिर आई हैव बीन टू मेकर फेस्ट. सो मेकर फेस्ट इज अमेजिंग. लाइक मेकर फेस्ट आर लाइक collection of people who meet together, like who make stuff and then they show that to different people. So I happened to meet Dhruv sir over there itself. So yeah, this was pretty much what I wanted to share about origami, and I would love to like आपके कुछ questions आपको कुछ पूछना हो मुझसे, and you can surely connect with me on social media अगर कुछ चीज़ करनी है, like if you want to collaborate. So yeah, that's what I had from my side. अगर आपको किसी को कुछ questions है, कुछ share करना है, so
I would like to ask that if my students want to start from somewhere,
yes
from the
sir.
beginning, so what will be their, how will they learn? No, if student is having interest, then we can march ahead. But if at all we want to learn this, all these students,
So
every student, how can we march ahead?
yeah, so आप जैसे like simply उनको like you can take the papers to the class और students को कह सकते हैं. And the biggest resource for origami is YouTube. मैंने like starting में जैसे घर पे सबको सिखाते हैं कि पेपर बोट कैसे बनाते, पेपर प्लेन. But from there onwards I found most of my models from YouTube. मैं YouTube पे videos देख के बनाता था. So that way you can student, you can share origami with students also, or they can learn more from it. और कुछ किसी को पूछना हो, शेयर करना हो, any feedbacks regarding this session, origami से related कुछ.
सर आपने वो मॉडल सर बनाना सीखा है, ऐसा कुछ आपका यूट्यूब पर है ऐसा वीडियो के?
I definitely have a YouTube channel. मैं वो chat में share करता हूँ.
हाँ सर.
And there are a lot of, अगर आप YouTube पे simply origami search करोगे ना, so you will see कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने बहुत चीज़ें बनाई हैं. I'll share a link to my YouTube channel as well. I would love to share origami. Like right now, मेरा schedule थोड़ा सा tight रहता है because I am in 12th grade now. So, but if like कोई holiday है या फिर if I am like, you can surely connect with me कि you want to do this on this date, so we can plan it out. You can connect with me on WhatsApp or anywhere. I would love to share origami with different people. Like I have been sharing to a lot of people. I have shared a link to my YouTube channel in the chat box. or sir, you can please not call me sir, क्योंकि I'm just a small student. You are. Yes, I will share my contact number.
Now, that is actually nice that I came to know your grade level. Because I am teaching physics to 12th grade students, 11th, 12th, and 15th.
Oh,
It's so nice that at such younger age you have developed it. Very good. Can I know that, I mean, the level in which you have reached originally, that particular thing, the extent you have, the expertise you have, is it that only you have learned through YouTube and your keen interest, or something else there, like some course, like some
mm,
what else is there?
yeah, yeah. So like it all depends upon the interest. Like जैसे मैं छोटा था, so my mom taught me to make a origami paper plane. Then what I did, I found myself making hundreds of those paper planes. So what I observed कि उसके अंदर एक फोल्ड भी थोड़ा सा चेंज करो ना, so वो प्लेन पूरा like ऐसे गोल घूम के जाता है, like if it travels faster. So that made my interest in origami. Where I explored, and most of it goes to YouTube because it's a huge resource of knowledge. Like internet goes both ways. Like if you use it productively, there's a lot you can learn from it. And दूसरी direction भी है. There's different direction to internet also. So most of it was YouTube.
And a small suggestion, if at all after class 12, if you can prepare modules where systematically a student can learn from page wise, that would be very, it's just a suggestion, I don't know.
Definitely, sir. It would like help a lot to share to different people. I am planning on like giving a like YouTube channel where I'm planning to make a session series so many children can learn. That I will surely work on it, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much, Tej, for your wonderful session. And I was out for a while, so I was not able to join you when the session started. So hope all of you have enjoyed. And the try from our side is to just get some of this experts and connect you with all schools together, and how we can just help all students to learn the same. So there was one thing which we are trying to do is, Tej is going to provide a PPT to all of you teachers, and we are looking forward that if teachers can conduct a primary session on origami for their students, for their school students, and they can run a program. So this is how we are also looking forward to, expand the community in a bigger way. So PPT and everything will be available to you. You just need to narrate it. एंड द रीजन, यानी इसका जो मेन रीजन है ये है कि लोकल लैंग्वेज में हो पाए. लाइक every one of you are from different areas, so if you teach in local language to them, that is more effective. सो आपको जो प्राइमरी लर्निंग चाहिए वो सब इसमें, यानी ये सेशन में कवर हो गया है. दैट ऑल प्राइमरी लर्निंग हैज बीन कवर्ड. So now we are looking forward that if you can do the same session in local language for the your school students, so that will be more effective. So this is what is the request. If any teacher are looking forward to be like taking this session, then we will be here to help you out in whatever way it is needed. So apart of it, if you have any suggestion or any of questions, then you can surely ask for Tinkering India or even for Tej. So how many of your teacher you are planning a session for your school this week, like Balkishore sir or any one of you? आप में से कितने टीचर ट्राई करने वाले हैं ऐसा सेशन लेने के लिए अपने स्कूल के लिए?
I would like to take up with my students, but not this week actually.
Okay, fine.
Then in the next month, and definitely I will
Okay.
take your help for that so that it can be smoothly conducted. So in fact, in this corona pandemic, this is creating a lot of fun also, holding the papers and getting some different objects out of it.
Right.
Very nice.
Even we are looking forward to have a session on industrial sketching, and mostly Tej will be only doing that session maybe next week or next to next week, in which we are planning to teach sketching, the sketching which is used in product design and all, which is also in pandemic student can practice. So that is what we are looking forward to try next week or next to next week. So we are trying to identify this kind of exercise which students can do without having computer or hardware at their home, and it can be playful as well as learning. Tej, do we have any practice sheet designed already?
We can share some tutorial videos with them.
Okay, then we will share some tutorial videos with you on your email, and that you can use it and you can follow it. So that way, I think it will be more better to go forward with the learning experience. So Tej, if you can share with me, I will able to share with all the participants.
Sure, sir. I will share it ahead.
Okay. So anything apart of it, any one of you have questions? And yes, so in Tinkering India group, you can start discussing, and I will also be quite active now. So we have almost more than 20 schools on board right now, and some paperwork has to be done, but that we are planning to do little later. So that can be done maybe after Monday. Okay, so Tej, I think like we can wind up the session.
Okay. Thank you everyone for like having so much patience and listening me out. Hope you all had fun. And yes, we can wind up the session now. So have a nice day. And
Thank you for joining.
yeah, thank you for joining.